Hello everyone, today this video I will tell you about grammar review. Okay, I will start now. Rule. A rule in grammar is a generalization. Is it formula that one makes to account for how a given grammatical construction usually behaves. A rule is not necessarily true in every instance. It is generally true. Don't be conquered if you see or hear something that does not coincide with a rule in this book. In this guide, parentheses indicate optional usage when used in a rule. Phrases indicate other, one choice, or the other. Has, have, other, has or have. Method of study. The best method of improving your use of English grammar with this guide is to study the formula and sample sentence. Then do the practice exercise at the end of each section. After each group of lesson, there is an exercise using grammatical point from the preceding explanation. If you still make errors, the practice test answer case and the index give you the page number of the explanations. To study again, normal sentence pattern in English, subject, verb, complement, and modifier. John and I ate a pizza last night. Next, we studied present perfect last week. Okay, next, another topic. Subject. The subject is the agent of the sentence. In the active voice, it is the person of thing that performs or is responsible for the action of the sentence, and it normally resides in the verb. Note, every sentence in English must have a subject. In the case of commands, the subject you is understood. The subject may be a single noun. Coffee is delicious. Milk contains calcium. The subject may be a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words ending with a noun. It cannot begin with a preposition. The book is on the table. Next, that new red car is John's. Example of subject. We girls are not going to that movie. Next, George like boats. Next, Mary, John, George, and I went to restaurant last night. Next, the weather is very bad yesterday. Next, the chemistry professor canceled class today. Next, the bank closed at 2 o'clock. It can act as a pronoun, for a noun can be as the subject of impersonal verb. The pronoun is actually used in place of a noun, but is part of idiomatic expression. It right quite often here in the summer. Next, it is hard to believe that it is dead. In some sentence, the true subject does not appear in the normal subject position. There can act as a pseudo subject and is treated like a subject when changing word order to a question. However, the true subject appears after the verb. and the number of the true subject control the verb. Verb number 1. There was a fire that building last month. Were there many students in the room? Okay, we can end this video, channel this, and the next video about grammar again. Sayonara.